All right, we have a calculator problem right here. So keep that in mind as we're doing this problem. Okay, it says f is this function. What is the average value? Okay, so this is the clue right here. What's the average value f on the closed interval from 1 to 7? Okay, so if we're looking at 1 to 7, this axis, those are the values, right? They're y's or they're f's, whatever you want to call them. It wants to know what is the average value between 1 and 7. So you would have to take all the y numbers that are between 1 and 7. I don't know if the function looks like that or not, but you would have to add them all together and then divide by the number of numbers to find the average, right? That's how you find the mean. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to sum all the values from 1 to 7 in f, and I can write f of x because it's already defined up here, and then write dx, and then we have to divide by the number of numbers. So you go 7 minus 1, and that'll give you the number of numbers to divide it by. Or you can rewrite this to be 1 over 7 minus 1 times the integral from 1 to 7 of f of x dx. Now what we could do, this is my favorite way to do it on a graphing calculator, is we could put the function inside of the y equals window. But it's kind of unnecessary because I know for sure I'm not going to be using this function again, because once I find out this answer, I'm done. So I'm going to hit second quit, go back to my main window, hit math, 9. 9 gives me the fnint, the integral. I want to put in my integrals. Actually, you know what I should have done first? I should have did my fraction. So 1 divided by 6 times. Now let's go inside of our integral. Our lower bound is 1, and then our upper bound is 7. And then inside, we're going to put the 3x times sine x. And looks like we need to close off our parentheses. All right, there we go. So our answer is negative 2.461, which we can see right here. Our answer is B.